Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will see list built-in functions. It is the same list that we used in previous video. Now just write variable name and give a dot and press tab. There are 11 built-in functions for list. We will see some of the functions like append, pop, insert and clear functions. Let's see append function first. Just write a dot append. If you want to see description you can press Shift plus tab. In the description it is written, we have to pass an object, it will just append it. Suppose, we pass 2, and execute this, you can see 2 is appended in list. Let's see clear function. Just write variable name, and write clear. After executing you will see, your whole list will be empty, it means it will clear your list. Let's see copy function, for your list. Because of clear function, now list is empty, so we have to create a list again. Let's say 112 and 31. So to use copy, take a new variable b and write aaee.copy. Your whole list will get copied to b variable. Let's see pop function. Write variable name and dot pop. Check the description, it simply means it will delete an element from your list. After executing, 31 is removed from your list. Let's see sort function. Sort means ascending order. It will sort your list. Check the description, there is a parameter known as reverse. If you give it as true, so it will return you with descending order. Let's see last function of this video, insert function. Insert function takes two parameters, first is index and second is value. So it will add 1 at second index.